I'm going to show you how to rectify funny patches on your LED floors, or you call it LED tiles. As you can see, this one is not showing anything. One of the things you do is to check the connectivity, like I'm doing right now. This is the power, fixing the power. Power is fixed, and this is a signal. The signal comes from the previous models before it. Then let's check. Now it's working, but it's having some funny bluish color. This is the loops I'm playing from my laptop, so it shows that this model is bad. So all you have to do is to change the models. Okay, to change the models, you disconnect this one, right? You disconnect the power cable, you disconnect the signal cable. Then I already pull out the screws, and you pull it. It's not coming. Okay, and you pull it out. Okay, this is bad. Then can you get me one there? Then this is a new one I just ordered for. So before you insert it, make sure you check the directions. You can see this arrow. This arrow, and the arrow is here. So all you have to do is to follow the arrow, place it right. After placing it back, then you connect your power. Power is locked. You connect your signal, and let's check if it's working right now. So after changing, and you can see it's working perfectly well right now. I've changed the loop. This wasn't what I was using before. I changed it to something else. And then that's that about LED screens. For more videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you get a quick notifications once I drop a video. Like, subscribe. Thank you. NUELLIGHTSANDFILMS.